Matapos nga na mapagsabihan ng mga netizen ang nasabi nga pong LGBTQ+ na si Jude Bacalso, kung saan ay tila hindi niya nagustuhan ang pagtawag sa kanyang sir ng nasabi nga pong server or waiter. Mula sa artikulo ng balita.net.ph, Bacalso nagsorry sa issue ng pagpapatayo sa waiter dahil tinawag siyang sir. Humingi na nga ng paumanhin ang LGBTQIA+ community member na si Jude Bacalso. Ito'y matapos siyang ulanin ng kritisismo dahil sa pagpapatayo raw niya sa isang lalaking waiter sa isang restaurant sa Cebu City nang i-address siya nito bilang sir. Isang concerned netizen na nagngangalang John Calderon ang nagbahagi ng insidente sa kanyang social media. Ito'y matapos siyang mabother sa ginawa ni Bacalso. Matapos kuyugin ng netizen at maging ng ilang celebrity gaya nila OG Diaz at Ian Mina, naglabas na ng apology post si Bacalso kaugnay sa issue. Earlier today, Ania, I sat down to quietly settle the matter with the restaurant management, one crew and the store supervisor who were present last night. The waiter I had a disagreement with what was not present. After each one of us aired our sides, I am happy to share that we have agreed to pursue together more inclusive practices in the restaurant. I also realized that in the impassioned pursuit of my advocacy, I could have done with a little measure of kindness. Sadly, quite absent in the ruckus this has all unnecessarily created when it was made public without our knowledge. I made a personal apology to the group present and requested if I may do so for the concerned waiter. I am also making it very public with this post as it has become quite public further. Ngunit iginiit ni Bacalso, na hindi siya nagdemand sa waiter na tumayo ito ng 2 oras dahil sa pag-address sa kanya ng sir. Nagkataon lang daw na medyo matagal ang naging pagpapaliwanag niya rito dahil sa gender sensitivity issue at hinihintay pa roon nila ang pagdating ng kinatawan ng restaurant management para pumagitan sa kanila. I also want to underscore that the management always had the back of their personnel with constant communication with me on behalf of their employees, who are all treated as family, as I know personally from their history. To quote the supervisor, they served me as best they could even if it was difficult from them to do so. I would like also to reiterate that I did not demand that the waiter stand for the whole length of time. As I was explaining my side of the gender sensitivity issue, it was he who chose to stand in front of me as he waited for input from management, who I attempted to contact. My apologies to the rest of the staff who, disheartened by the way things have escalated, as well as to the customer present at the time. This is a huge chunk of hamby pie that I must ingest because I have heard. May we start here with, as the supervisor pointed out, an uphill path to reconciliation, and we hope you will be able to allow us and yourselves to do so unhampered so we may all learn and heal from this. Yan pa ang naging say niya. Ilang mga netizen din naman ang may naging hanas pa sa naging paliwanag na ito ng nasabing LGBTQ member. Anila, sir, already a respect. Dahil siya mismo ay walang respeto sa sarili niya, kaya hindi niya yan na-realize. Kung tutuusin siya yung hindi nagbigay ng respect doon sa waiter. Say pa ng isa, huwag kami, sir. Okay, sir, point taken, sir. I think sinabi mo lang yan, sir, para ikaw ang victim. Nice try, sir. Lesson learned. Huwag na ulitin, huwag arogante, dahil tatamaan ka sa katawan niyan. By now, you should have learned tolerance coupled with sense of humor. Your entitlements certainly have gone to your inner sensitivity. You forgot your humanity. So maraming mga netizen ang hindi nagustuhan kahit na nga nag-apology pa ito. Well, ano naman ang masisay nyo rito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.